Randy Wardell, and I just got a box from Technoglass that contains the grinder. I can hardly wait to see what's inside, so let's open it up. Well, the very first thing you notice is this beautiful packaging. And there's the grinder manual right on top. Contains all kinds of great information on how to use it. Here's the quick fit bits. There's a 1-inch and a 3/4 inch bit with the system. And here's the accessory bag. It contains a scraper, the bit guard, the aquaflow system, and a cover for the Luma shield. And here's the power cord for the North America version. One of the great features of the grinder is all you have to do is change out this cord, and it is compatible to the electrical system of most countries worldwide. And here is the Luma shield. It has very bright LED lights built right into it, and they turn on from a switch on the front of the machine. Here's the guard. This is the splash guard that keeps the water from spraying all over the place, but allows the glass to pass through with these flexible fingers. And here's the elevated work surface that has its very own water reservoir and grid surface, and allows you to install a 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch spindle bit. Wow, look at the size of that tabletop. Here's the Luma Shield lens. Now this easily snaps into the Luma Shield base, just like this. Just place it in there and it just snaps into place, and now we have our Luma Shield ready to go. Okay, that's it for the accessory components. Let's go ahead and take the grinder out of the box. Now that is a slick looking machine. It has this drawer in the front for storing accessories, the scraper and some extra bits and the cover all go in that drawer. Okay, I'm going to install this 1-inch quick fit bit. Take it out of the package and we're going to install the diamond grit ring by sliding it onto the bit base right to the bottom. You'll notice an arrow right there. That's the flat side for the grinder bit to slide onto the shaft. Right there is the flat side of the shaft. Slide it down, snap it, and that's it. The grinder bit is installed. Now we're going to put our aquaflow system in. Just slide the brush into the holder, then position it right there and snap it into place. That's it. The aquaflow system is installed. Notice how the brush just fans out beautifully across the surface of the grinder bit. The work surface of the grinder is huge, and it easily snaps into place. Now we'll install our stainless steel bit guard. Just place it right there. Now we'll put the splash guard in place. It just slides into this little slot right there. Make sure it's all the way down to the surface. Now we'll install the Luma shield. It just slides into the square receptacle in the back. Make sure it's all the way down, fully seated. And finally we'll put the cord in. Just plug this into the back and plug it into the wall, and there is the Luma shield light, and there's the motor. It's so quiet. There's the two switches. You can see the light switch and power switch. This is an exquisitely designed machine that is sure to become a favorite in art glass workshops everywhere.